Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. If you do like my channel, please subscribe, comment, share the videos to your friends and like them. Today I am going to share with you Lahsooni Dal Tadka's recipe. It's an easy version of Dal Tadka with flavors of garlic in it. Serve the Dal Tadka with rotis, jeera rice or rice. Now let's see the ingredients. Moong Dal 1 cup. I am using mustard oil here. You can use any other oil too. Mustard seeds 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, turmeric, 1 tablespoon ghee, green chilies chopped, whole red chilies. 1 to 2 tablespoon of garlic chopped. Wash the dal for a couple of time in water, then soak the dal in water for 30 to 40 minutes. Pressure cook the dal with water, salt and turmeric. Pressure cook the dal for 2 to 3 whistles. Mash the cooked dal lightly. If the dal mixture looks thick, then add some water and stir to get a medium consistency in the dal. Heat mustard oil in a pan. Add ghee. Red chilies. Fry it a little. Add mustard seeds. When it starts crackling, add green chilies. Add chopped garlic. Fry the garlic till it becomes light brown in color. Add dal. Simmer the dal for 10 minutes so that the flavors of the spices infuse well with the lentils. Our dal is almost done. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes more. Our Lahsooni dal tadka is ready to serve now. Serve it hot with roti or rice. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.